Thank you for looking at my listing today. I hope that you will have a great experience viewing the property. Absolutely gorgeous home with wraparound porch, 3 bedrooms including downstairs master, sunroom, formal dining, and a spacious living room with a stone fireplace, skylight and high ceiling provides an open floor plan. Beautiful hardwood floors, granite countertops, ceramic tile, separate heating and air for both the sunroom and bonus. Architectural shingled roof installed in 2014 and the HVAC was replaced 7 years ago. Walk-in closets in all bedrooms, double vanities in both full baths, separate shower, and garden tub in the master bath. An attached 2-car garage and detached single-car garage provides protection for all your vehicles, and the 14 by 24 storage unit will keep tools and lawn accessories out of sight. The yard is incredible with a driveway lined with crepe myrtle trees. The backyard has a large freshly seeded fenced area, fruit trees, a grapevine, Japanese maple and cypress trees, aromatic rose garden, hydrangeas, iris, etc., and 2 raised vegetable gardens. This property is truly a masterpiece.